Is this where the end you hearing my words I'm saying to you? 'Cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine, but I'm just trying to break this cycle. Why are you staring at the door like I'm in the way? If you're leaving, that's fine, but don't forget your pride, 'cause I'm just trying to break this cycle. Are you? Are you? Are you? If you wanna go, I'll stay away. 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 And here we are again, sitting face to face, saying sorry for things that we can't change. 'Cause I don't wanna live that way. Do you wanna live that way? I don't wanna live that way. Do you? Do you? Do you? If you wanna go, I'll stay away. 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 I don't wanna live that way. 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 light. We're all different people, all throughout our lives. Like a breath on a mirror, we're fading away. Is this the end of the beginning, or is this just a trick to make us stay? I'll cherish my demons and lead them to fire. Most of the time I hear angelic choirs. Oh, oh, oh. I'm with you, I'm weak, but I'm nothing without you. Can anyone show me a way not to lose you? Someday, someday, vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet. But I'm so tired of wandering. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? I thought by now pain would be my friend. I know that discomfort was a means to an end, but I'm lying in a warm bed. No, I'm lost, but I'm living. Cannot be forgiven.
King and Beast.